It's the best.
Let me show you and tell you
about
how
this.
hot it's going to be this week. High temperatures in the low 90s. When you factor in the humidity, it's going to feel like 106 tomorrow. 92 is our high temperature. So it's going to feel like 106 tomorrow. 92 is the high temperature for Thursday, and it's going to feel like 106. And by Friday, 91 is going to feel like 103. It is going to be a really hot stretch of weather, but this is summertime in South Texas. So maybe you're thinking about spending it at the beach. Right now, we are starting off with some cloud cover, relatively dry conditions, not a lot of widespread or heavy rainfall to track on radar. However, just a couple of spotty showers are possible this morning. And as we look towards the afternoon, that cloud cover will gradually lift, but with heat and humidity, we may pop in one or two isolated showers, especially for our inland spots. So our coastal locations throughout the afternoon are looking pretty good, but just a passing shower pretty much all across the board is possible in South Texas today. That's why we have a 10% chance throughout the day ahead, but again, not a washout, not widespread rain. We'll start off with mostly cloudy conditions. The cloud cover will continue to lift throughout the late morning, early afternoon, leading to sun and clouds for the rest of the day ahead, and a lot of heat as well. Our high temperatures today reach the low and mid 90s. When you factor in the humidity, it's going to feel like 107 in Ingleside, 102 in Sinton, 102 in George West. It's going to feel like 101 in Falfurrias, and in Refugio today, you're going to feel like 100 degrees. That continues into tomorrow. Those extreme feels like temperatures along with the sunny conditions with an isolated shower, and that continues into Thursday as well. So pretty much a rinse and repeat over the next couple of days. Sunny, hot, stray shower. Now, I do want to get you a look at the tropics in the Atlantic basin. We're not tracking any development in the next 7 days, but let's take you to the eastern Pacific where we're watching Tropical Storm Christina. This is expected to kind of skirt the coastline of Central America before moving inland, becoming a tropical depression, and then eventually a remnant low. That moisture is going to move into the Bay of Campeche as we look towards the end of the work week, and then eventually move into Mexico. So the center of the low will move into Mexico. It's not really going to have an impact in terms of tropical development, but we're going to take all of that moisture and funnel it into South Texas and the coastal bend this weekend. So rain chances will be up this weekend, right around a 30% on Saturday. On Sunday, for now, with 20% coverage, may have to increase. So what you need to know with this tropical moisture that we're talking about, it's going to be this weekend, which is going to increase our rain chances, but no tropical development is expected. It is not defined by the National Hurricane Center, and right now models really aren't showing this as a significant tropical system. So no need to worry about when we talk about tropical moisture. It's just all of that humidity through the upper levels and the mid levels of our atmosphere that allows it to increase our rainfall essentially. So looking at our 7-day forecast, it's an isolated showers now all the way through Friday, a mix of sun and clouds. Then this weekend, our rain chances increase along with our cloud cover. Highs drop into the upper 80s, couple of low 90s, and we're at a 20% coverage of rainfall on Monday.